Hi, I am George and today I'm gonna show you some new plants that I got, and I did an exchange with one subscriber, and his name is Vitaly. He gave me some plants like Opuntia ficus indica and Feriga and another plants I will show you, so let's see the plant. He gave me this beautiful cactus. It is Opuntia ficus indica, and you can see it have fruits, and I cannot believe. And so looking through, it's beautiful. And another one there. So we'll see how will grow. He said that will rebloom, long will bloom and blooming, and we will see. From there will bloom, I think, or there. So we will see, and I replanted it there in this spot, and we'll see how will grow. Another plants, it's similar to pineapple. It is bilbergia. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce correct, but they are so beautiful, these plants, and so many babies. And one I separated there in a separate pot, and we'll see how will grow. Beautiful, and yeah, that's why. Similar to pineapple. I thought that is pineapple first, but no. Looking beautiful. Thank you so much for these plants, Vitalia, and let's see the another plant. Also, he gave me this plant. It is Feriga, and it's frost tolerant. I planted it directly into the ground, and the sun, I hope, will grow. So we'll see. He said to plant in the shade, and I planted in the shade, and we'll waiting for grow, and we will see how will be look. So waiting. Another plant he gave me, and I don't know the name, but I will ask him. And also, if you know this plant, so let me know in the comments. It looking so, and look at this. And I will cut these branches. I let only one, and will grow. We will see. Another tree he gave me, and I don't know the name too. And if you know the name, just let me know in the comments. And also I will ask him this plant or tree, something like that. We will see how will grow. Should be grow leaves soon. So waiting for that. That's all plants. I hope you enjoyed these new beautiful plants, and that's all today. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and have an amazing day. Greetings from Moldova. Subscribe to my channel, like and share. So see you next time. Bye.